Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Students, open your modern English book, page number 22. On this page, the topic is more adjectives. I told you before about adjectives. Revise with me. Students, adjective describing words. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place, or thing are called adjectives. Words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjectives. Okay students, now look at some examples. Smart boy, green parrot, big hall, round ball, one hand and two cheeks. So we say that words used to describe quality, color, size, shape and number are called adjectives. Okay students, start reading with me. Today we will revise this page. Huge and tiny. Once again, huge and tiny. You can see this elephant is huge and this cat is tiny. Students, and is used to join two words and sentences. Huge and tiny. Look at the next one. Red and green. Once again, red and green. Students, colors are also used to describe noun. That's why red and green are adjective words. Once again, red and green. Look at the next one. Thin and thick. Thin and thick. You can see this pencil is thin and this pencil is thick. Once again, thin and thick. Look at the next one. Fast and slow. Once again, fast and slow. Students, you know rabbit runs very fast and tortoise moves slowly. Fast and slow. Look at the next one. Ice is cold. Once again, ice is cold. Student, ice is a noun and cold is its adjective. Tea is hot. Once again, tea is hot. Tea is a noun and hot is its adjective. Look at the next one. This shirt is white. Once again, this shirt is white. You can see this shirt is white. Shirt is a noun and white is its adjective. This shirt is black. Once again, this shirt is black. You can see this shirt is black. Shirt is a noun and black is an adjective word which is describing this noun. Okay students, revise with me. Huge and tiny, red and green, thin and thick, fast and slow, ice is cold, tea is hot, this shirt is white, this shirt is black. Once again, huge and tiny, red and green, thin and thick, fast and slow, ice is cold, tea is hot, this shirt is white, this shirt is black. Okay students, revise this page many times at your home. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.